Hello, I hope you're all doing okay. So today I'm doing a very simple video and I'm using my Sentro Knitting Machine. So in my previous video I showed you my collection of yarn that I had, and in that collection there's this small ball of yarn that I was trying to figure out how I'll use this, and it doesn't really go well with the other colors, so I thought maybe I should do just a simple top using the Sentro Knitting Machine, because obviously a small yarn goes a long way with this, so compared to crochet. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I want to divide this yarn into two so that I get the yarn that I'll use for the front and for the back piece. Oh, my arms are tired from doing that. Okay, now this is needle number 44, so I'm just gonna put that there, and then I'll go back just as normal. So for this is the first needle, so you wanna go, I don't know if you can see, but this is the first needle, so you want to go past that and then make sure the yarn goes under this peg, then you go back, just kind of pull that to tighten, then second row. Same thing for this side. This is my last needle, so I want to make sure the yarn goes under this peg, the peg after the last needle. So, like that. Then go back, the third row. I'm doing 70 rows, so this is row number 69. And the last one. Okay, so let me cast off. So now let's see how the colors look. That's what you have. Oh wow. Wow. This looks so good. Wow. Okay, that was easy. So now let me just do the second piece. I take a bigger crochet hook because I want very loose stitches, because the fabric itself is very stretchy, so you don't want the edges to be tight. And then take the hook, insert there, then take your yarn over and pull through, and then you drop the stitch. Then the next one, you just insert in the next, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop on the hook, then you drop that, just like that. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through that and pull through the second loop on your hook, then you drop. I want to show you how you do the bottom part of the piece. So the tail that you left, you're gonna pull that and then kinda stretch it out. Then that way you'll see there's this yarn that passes through the loops. So that's what you wanna pick with maybe a needle, or if you have one of this, it does really help. So you pick from the side that you have the loose end. You just find nothing. Let me find the first one because it's kind of tricky, then I'll show you. Okay, let me show you another one. So there's the loop, so you just wanna insert your needle there, and then once you do that, you can just pull the yarn that passes between the loops like that. You can continue just picking up the loops. Okay, so that's just how you do it. Once you finish doing that, you'll have your loops like this, and then use a crochet to finish off. So I've just finished joining, and this is what it looks like. It looks so good. I love the colors. The seam looks good, but I just tried it on and I don't like how it looks, so I think I'm gonna switch up the design. And also it's longer than what I wanted, so I want to undo like 10 rows, and then I'll do some chains to use to tie up on the side. So let me just do a few rows of single crochet here on the top. On the side I'll add some loops that I'll use to tie and also finish off the bottom. And then once I'm done, I'll show you what it looks like. The top is now complete and this is what it looks like. I love it so much. And this top is very simple to make because you just need 2 panels and then do a few chains for the straps and on the sides. So this is what I did for the sides and it looks so good. I love it so much. I was just thinking and wondering what was I gonna use that little ball of yarn, and I found the perfect thing and this looks so good. I'm just happy with the decision that I made. It's so simple to make. So after making the panels, what I did, I just crocheted 1 row of single crochet here on the sides and at the bottom just to give it the shape, and then I attached this and then I did this to tie here on the sides. It looks so good. I'm happy with it. This is what it looks like on the back. I love it so much. Love the colors. Everything is just amazing. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.